Welcome to my dungeon. So today we are working down in the basement. We are gonna brighten it up. Finally needs some bit of work with lights and plugs down there. We need a plug for the freezer and overall just to have a plug and for the pump. And we need some lights because it's really dark in there. And then once the electricity is down there, we can finally make this door electric. We've been waiting quite a while to do this since we had other jobs just in front of it. So yeah, let's get started and bring some cables down there.
And after we're done with the lights downstairs, we are going to give you an update on how this one is doing and how it's filling up.
Yeah. Okay. So the lights are all on and we have wired it all up. So let's see how they look. Pretty nice, I think.
My goodness, it's bright. And we're actually scared that because of the metal bar in the middle, the light is not gonna be nice. But it's a bit of a dark corner there, but like
they're very white, but yeah. I don't mind. Definitely good for downstairs so you can see everything clearly.
And then we have that one.
You could go with 30 lights, another one here, but I think that's overdoing it a bit.
Yeah, definitely.
So you can see everything clearly here. So the first plan was to just do light bulbs like we did in the barn, but then we realized of course the ceiling here is very low, so you're going to be hitting them and they'll just be in the way. And then we thought the long lights, like we do under counters, but those are a lot more expensive. And then we found these ones. These ones are like €8 a piece, and they're more brighter than those long ones. And they're really very economical in electricity terms. And I mean, the amount of times you're gonna burn them down here is very little. So I think definitely worth it. And now you can clearly see everything in the basement. I think that's definitely an upgrade. and definitely necessary for such a bright environment now. So yeah, let's now move on. We're gonna do two plugs, one here and one there. So they're gonna be also on the ceiling, so nice high up, so never water gets to them. I mean, not like this thing will ever fill up
I
full of
hope not.
water. That would be not possible realistically, unless there's a flood. Then anyways, electricity's gone. So yeah, we're just gonna do them nicely high up, because also drilling them into the wall, it's a bit harder than just attaching them to the wood on the ceiling. And everything has pretty long cable where it can reach, and if not, we're just gonna add like an extension if we need something a bit longer. But I think we're gonna be fine. So yeah, let's get started. That plug is online. So the plugs are done, so now we can test it out, see if the pump pumps. We don't have a lot of water in here, but something, and it should pump it out. So let's try it out. So the water really isn't that much of a problem, even though outside is completely melting and raining. This is pretty much how much it gets in few days. Sometimes it takes even weeks for this thing to fill up. So yeah, and this was dry at some point fully. Now it just got a bit wet since it is raining outside. So I think that's causing quite a lot of water to get in. But I think other than that, it's pretty good. We do need to put the pump to be automatically pumping that water out on a little floaty thingy, the floaty switch. So, and then it's going to be fully automatic, and we don't need to ever worry about coming down here and pumping the water out. So yeah, but now the plug is up here, it's much easier for us to set that up. And also to set this thing up, also actually, yeah, we need electricity for that.
So we needed 2 plugs, didn't we? That's
yeah.
We needed 2 plugs.
We might need another plug for that. That's what was the 2 plugs for.
Yeah, we actually had planned a double plug there, like 2 plugs.
Yeah, it's okay, we're just gonna put another plug somewhere,
we'll see.
maybe here.
Yeah, once we do the thing, we'll see.
So it's gonna be somewhere else.
And because some people asked about upstairs, the washing machine, it has a drainage over there. We already have planned that out because of the pump.
Yeah,
so that's already
it's gonna get a split there between washing machine, sink, and this water that's pumping.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be all of that connecting there.
Okay, let's give you now an update about the boiler.
Yeah.
Well, we could scoop it with like things quickly out, whatever, like.
No more.
Chocolate? Get a cup? Ooh!
Oh, this is what
That's our Valentine's meal! Chocolate, get some marshmallows.
That is not nice.
Get some marshmallows. Okay, well that was not messy. And as I said,
oh shit!
And as I said that it did not make a mess.
Oh.
You You took it out so professionally.
I did make a mess.
Mr. Bean. Put it through.
Oh. So as you saw, we emptied the other boiler, so that thing is ready to come off. We have not removed it yet, but they will come off, and I will see, I will take it apart and look inside, see if I can use it as an accumulation tank for now. So that would be better than nothing, just to share some hot water from the Cellar heating. So we've been running it 3 days now, and we have showered with it fully, and we actually only got between the 3 and 2 dots. I don't know exactly what that is, but it was still burning hot coming out, and probably another person could shower, or maybe 2 people. Don't know exactly without further testing. Pretty much in one evening it heated up, and the next morning fire even heated up further, and it's been sitting there consistently and has no problems with hot water. It also keeps its heat perfectly. Till the morning it pretty much does not move a single bit, so that is, I think, for like 12-24 hours it kind of can stay still, but usually we have the heating is usually 12 hours apart from each other. I think it's working amazing, and that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. We're gonna see you next time. We have a lot to do in this room.
Sneak peek.